afternoon, everyone! Okay, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday. But this time, we will have another series of recipes. And I'm just so fortunate because I've got this good nutrition or everyday recipes for good nutrition from Herbalife. All the way from the US, of course. This is from our Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training of Herbalife Nutrition, Miss Susan Bowerman. Okay, so I'm just so fortunate to use her recipes para atong i-gamiton. And these are simple, nutritious recipes for healthy living. Okay, so let's start. Daghan kayo ni siyang recipes inside, so I got it. Not diliingon nga akong gipalit, okay? This is a reward from Herbalife Nutrition. There was a promotion last year and na-qualify na ko siya together with a cooking or a baking set, and then I got this recipe book. And so, let's start. So, daghan kayo ni siyang mga sulod inside, and just so excited nga I can show you here sa akong channel sa unsaon mga ways, okay? So ako i-share ninyo. So only a few got access or has this cookbook. So congratulations sa mga nag-qualify, and I'm just so fortunate I have one, and I'm excited to share to you mga simple recipes na dire. So lain-lain siya, na shakes, na soups, na cakes and cookies, na nibbles, na puddings and cold treats kana. So daghan kaayo siya recipes, wala na ako gi-count. So before ko moadto sa so good, aritas pinakatapusan. So naglibog kon sa ako unahon first og share. So again, this is our simple, nutritious recipes for healthy living. Okay. So the first one nga kung i-share ninyo is ang pinaka-last. Okay? This is the hot mango tea. So, kung hilig kag mango, this is for you. Okay? So, hot mango tea. So, na-curious ko, ang mango pwede di ay butang hot. Okay? Usually, di ba, cold drinks like the shake. Kana, nice kay siya for mga, unsa ganina, kanang slush, kanang nasa mga drinks na sa mall. And this time, ato siyang gamiton as hot mango tea. Okay, so recipe, pinaka-importante, so ato siya set aside, and I'm going to read to you, of course, the ingredients. So ako na siyang gi-prepare. We have this mango flavor nga aloe. Okay, so aloe, nice kay for digestive health and for immunity, kana immunity boost. So ang iyang kinahanglan is tulo ka tabon, 3 cupfuls. Okay, so tulo ka tabon, and then put it sa imuhang kana. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ano ka simple. So ang imong gamiton nga para measure is ang cover. So next is the tea. So I'm using the apple chamomile tea. Of course, you can have your original flavor. Ang ako lang naganan sa apple chamomile na siya murag natural sweetness na nga makatabang nga mag-enjoy nimo imong drink. So I'm using the scoop of a probiotic, the Simply Probiotic. So it's approximately half teaspoon. So ang serving sa tong taste half teaspoon. So I'm gonna put it here also. Okay, so together siya. Now I'm using a clear mug. Okay, it's a mason jar. So if you have a clear mug, mas makita nimo, no, ma-feel nimo ang hitsura sa imong gitimpla. And after that, simple na kayo. You just add water. Okay, so hot water, 240 ml. Kana. Na. So hot, nag-aso pa jud siya. And then mix it. Okay. So makita ba? This is a mason jar. It was a kanang mura siya benefit nga fundraising for the Casa Herbalife. So I got this jar. And kahumot. And then ang pinaka-additional nga muhatag siya, pinaka-grabe og twist sa ato ang preparation right now, the hot mango tea, is our fresh mango. So, ang akong gamiton is ang usa lang ka half nga part sa mango. And then, imo siyang i-slice. So, gidiagonal na ko siya. So, you can have mura siyang diamond. But, mura na cube, good. So, mo na niyang hitsura. Okay? Yun na. Klaro? And then, di man na ito matanggal. Fold na ito siya balik. And use our spoon. So, ana lang. Very easy. And then, put it here sa jar. Or sa imong glass or mug. So, again, hot water ang na inside. So, na-imagine ako, hala, mango pwede di ay. And ka na. Okay. So, are you excited? Okay. So, first time din ako siyang mabuhat and na-curious jud ko and excited kay kung share sa inyo right now. That's it. So, mana siya. And we can mix. Okay. Ako sa i-try ha. Medyo hot para ba siya? Wow, kalami as in. Nindot kayang feeling sa katamis sa mango. At the same time, kuan siya, init-init siya. Hala, cheers! Very lami, good. Okay? So, I can recommend you nga mo try. And I'm just so grateful nga having this chance to share to you ang recipe all the way from the US. Okay? It's a recipe book from Susan Bowerman. Okay? So, para medyo arte-arte ang atong drink, okay, nag-cut ko a slice of mango. And then, ako siyang itunga sa ubos. And, tadaan! Kana! So, this is my mango now. Wow! So, enjoy everyone! Have a great day! So, tune in for more recipes. So, this is our first series of our simple, nutritious recipe for healthy living. Okay? Everyday recipes for good nutrition by Herbalife Nutrition. Bye, everyone! Feel free to subscribe if you're interested to get more recipes later on. Okay? Bye! Thanks for tuning in. I'm Coach Yanna, by the way. Bye, bye, bye!